Celeste loved the quiet of the night. Every evening, as the world settled down, she would carry her telescope to her balcony, ready to greet the stars. From another part of the city, Orion found his own peace under the vast, inky canvas. He had a smaller, more portable telescope, which he often took to a nearby hill. Celeste meticulously charted the constellations, noting the subtle dance of distant planets. She felt a connection to something grander than herself. Orion, too, felt this wonder. He often sketched what he saw, trying to capture the fleeting beauty of meteor showers and the steady glow of nebulae. One night, Celeste noticed a new, faint light. It wasn't a star or a planet she recognized. It seemed to twinkle with a curious, almost playful rhythm. Orion, on his hill, also spotted the unusual light. He wondered if it was a new comet, or perhaps a satellite he hadn't tracked before. He felt a strange pull towards it. The next evening, Celeste saw the light again. This time, it seemed to pulse, almost like a signal. She decided to try and send a message back, using her powerful telescope to reflect a small beam of light. To his astonishment, Orion saw a faint flash in response to his own observations. Could someone else be out there, sharing his passion, sending a reply? He felt a thrill of excitement. Over the next few weeks, their silent conversation continued, a dance of light across the night sky. They didn't know each other's names, or even what they looked like, but they knew they shared a special connection. One clear, star-filled night, they both decided to follow the faint, familiar light to its source. They met on the very hill Orion frequented, their telescopes side by side, two kindred spirits finally united under the stars they loved.